Hey everyone, Tom here from Made by Loop, and in this video I'm going to run through the features of the Numero script, which is used for creating sliding number counters right within After Effects. Now I've already got the Numero script docked here. If you've downloaded it, then check out the README file and it'll tell you how to install the script. So right out of the box, we've got a count from 0 and we're counting to 100. So let's just click the go button. And there we have it, from 0 to 100 in 4 seconds. Great stuff. Nice sliding animation all the way through. So if I get rid of this, I can try a new number. So let's try something bigger, so 12,560. Script will take a little longer to execute, but same result. 0 to 12,560. And the number can be anything you want. If you want things a little quicker or slower, then head on into the Numero counter composition. Check out column number 1 and hit U. Now everything is animated via these two keyframes here. So if you want to speed it up, drag the second keyframe down to about 2 seconds. That'll speed things up. If you want it to be slowed down, just drag it the other way. And there we have it. We'll go from 0 to 12,560 after about 6 seconds. Good stuff. Now it is a little small in the frame, but we can remedy that by scaling the composition up. And you'll notice it's blurred out slightly, but we can remedy this by clicking the continuous rasterization button here. If you don't see these options, press toggle switches and modes and that will show it up. And with those checked, it will continuously rasterize the text layers in there and everything's nice and crisp. You might need to change the matte slightly, the position and the size of that so it's all nice and set up, but even so, it doesn't change the animation. And there we have it. So we'll get rid of that and we'll create a new one. But before I do so, if you want it in a different font, let's say I do like Prohibition, go for regular. So I've selected the font that I want before pressing go, and we'll just count from 400 to 1200. And we'll click go. You can now see that we're in a different font using Prohibition, and we're counting from 400 to 1200. Great stuff. And the final thing that I want to show is this step change option. Now what this means is rather than scrolling through the numbers will just change instantly. So if I count from 0 to 1200 with the step change option, we'll hit go. You'll see the animation is slightly different. So instead of scrolling, it just counts up, which is useful in certain situations. So there you have it. The Numero script makes it super easy to create these sliding number counters or even just a normal number counter in After Effects. If you haven't got the Numero script, check it out at madebyloop.co.uk.